We've seen how useful it is to compress files to make them smaller, but how do you actually do this? You can compress any type of file using a compression utility. There are lots of free utilities like 7-zip and WinZip, and most operating systems have this functionality built in. This is lossless compression. It would be useless if you uncompressed your file to find bits of your documents or apps had been deleted. So the compromise for lossless compression is in file size, which tends to be larger than lossy compression techniques. Where the trade-off happens is with lossy compression. With lossy formats, when you compress the file you lose fidelity. More simply, the quality is not as good as the original. Let's look at some examples. So the main trade-off with lossy compression is size versus quality. We want files for the internet to be as small as possible, but there comes a point where further compression makes the file unacceptable. When this point occurs depends on the person and the use. A poor quality thumbnail on the web might be fine, but you don't want all of your photos looking like this. So those are the differences between lossy and lossless compression. Lossless files tend to be bigger, but there's no loss on fidelity. The uncompressed file is identical to the original. Lossy files tend to be smaller, but you throw away information which may mean a noticeable loss of quality.